7 rebounds in this quarter alone.
Merwin Castelo doon, but a low post play for King.
Pero Dr. J, yung mga ganong mga klaseng kilos against an NBA smart na itong si Chris King, ito ang kanilang hinahabol. Napakaraming gustong makakita yung kalamangan na yan. And would you believe, Dr. J, sa ating serye, sa ating PBA history, ang ating tinatawag na point of no return, itong point of no return na kinalalagyan ng Alaska right now. No team has ever come back in a best of 7 series down by 0-2 dito sa ating history ng PBA.
In the history of professional sports in the world, no team has ever come back from a 3-0 deficit to win a 7-game series. That includes basketball, hockey, anything.
And then football pala, isa yan. Itong NBA, of course, 3-0, mahirap yan. May pag-asa pang humabol ang Alaska. Ang question dito, at kino-question natin kanina sa umpisa pa lamang, ay ang kanilang puso. Nasaan ang puso ng Alaska? Nandun pa ba? 2 seconds to go. Holland bailout shot, but he will get the rebound.
Yeah, a little bit more scrambling on the part of Kevin Holland here.
Alam niya wala na siya maitulong offensively, so tutulong na lang siya sa ibang departamento. Samantala, Terry Saldana, hindi niya bibigay yung 2 points na madali para kay Bong Hawkins. So, continues to bleed from the field, Dr. J.
Pero extra motion na yan because may loose ball foul na yan. Foul na yan dyan eh, hindi pa ma-attempt. Hinabol lang niya to make sure na wala nga possible 3-point play. Pero it's a loose ball foul, so side court throw in. Ayaw na rin tumira ni Holland, no? Medyo libre na siya roon. Lastimosa with a nice move.
Ito lang ang matabang Dr. J, but still, the best of Lastimosa, hindi makatulong sa kanyang kupunan.
Well, kasi pinagtulungan siya. He had 3 guys guarding him as he went to the hoop. You know, there was King, there was Marlo Aquino. Hison with a 3-point shot. Not a good attempt. There was the low post play. Hison's shot selection must be questioned there. And he knows it. Pero si Sunny hindi na lang umaangal. But he looks in dismay. Dahil sayang eh, di ba?
Saka dinala na sila ng ganito kalayo ng kanilang mga players. Holland, bukas at sa wakas, nakakuha rin siya ng magandang tira sa loob. Si Kevin Holland merong 13 puntos ang kanyang kalaban sa loob. Si Chris King ay pumasok dito lang sa third quarter na ito. Sinusubukan lang siya. Now, they're posting him. Nakita natin sa scouting report, they must try and work him at the post. Ito, may mismatch. So, bibigay kay Marlo. 5 seconds to go. Nabitawan ng bola. At aagawin pa ni Marlo Aquino. Last touch si Merwin Castelo as the ball bounced off his right leg.
Well, there were a lot of hands there. Eh, hindi makontrol yun. Tumama yung kay Merwin Castelo on the way out. That's why hinahabol niya. Kung hindi, di papabayaan na niya lumabas yun. No?
Ang nasa loob para sa Alaska, Fernandez, Lastimosa, Castelo, Holland at Hawkins. Si Lastimosa playing almost without relief, Dr. J.
Well, they need it. Baldabid with a nice jump shot. All of a sudden, ginamit niya yung pick and roll. And having to shoot a looper, he made it. So that's a big basket for Gordons.
And this team is on a roll. Yan po ang Gordons on top by 5 in this ball game and on top by 2 in this best of 7 series. Ito, pasa kay Holland. Holland, finally, ito, nakakakuha ng konti at nakaka-recover. He has 15 points and 12 rebounds.
Well, magandang pasa ni sa kanya ni Hawkins. Eh. Hawkins sees the double team, so pinapasahan niya.
Bukas si Terry Saldana, isa pang talagang gamit na gamit dito. Ball the beat from the corner.
Magandang ball movement ng Gordons because they have a guy at the post that Alaska must double team and it's King. So they move the ball from strong side to weak side in very good fashion.
This Alaska team is in deep trouble ngayon, mga kaibigan. They're down by 5 points, but we have an eternity of basketball ahead of us.
Yeah, marami pang oras yan. Naagawan pa ni Hison si Lastimosa.
And Hison susundutan sa likod ni Jojo Lastimosa. And no easy points para kay Vince Hison sa last play na yun. Lastimosa not giving up.
That's a good foul, Chino. Don't give him the layup. Actually, kung hindi winanhan ni Hison ito, ang daling i-protect ang bola eh. But because gusto niyang i-one-hand, inabot siya ni Lastimosa. Very easy to protect that ball if you use 2 hands and you put your body there. But Hison is also an accurate free throw shooter, so
unang free throw niya on the way and hits bottom of the net. At binabati po namin ang mga barangay officials and delegates of the Lakbay Aral Project from the municipality of Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte. At sa ating po mga kapatid sa Zamboanga del Norte, Buenos Dias, at we hope you're enjoying this ball game. 2 free throws ni Vince Hison nakapagbigay ng 7 puntos na kalamangan para sa Gordons.
So again, off the steal, they were able to score. 7 na lamang, pero still a lot of time. 8:43. By the way, Saldana was taken out by Locsin. Grabe naman yung palakpakan na inabot ni Terry Saldana.
Lastimosa, met by a double team. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni Valdavid. At Dr. J, nakita mo ang mga mata nila. Wala na silang, parang walang buhay yung Alaska at this point. Locsin, finger roll against Boyd Fernandez. At gumuguho Dr. J. Ang Cuneta Astro sa harap ni Coach Tim Cone. He wants time.
Battery, winner of international awards for quality.
Ito ang crucial possession. Pinasok ng Alaska si Poch Winyo. Johnny Abarientos, yun. Meron pang buhay Dr. J dahil gaya na sinasabi namin, ang haba nitong oras na to, 8 minutes.
Yeah, we've seen a lot of things happen in 8 minutes. This is not really a big lead. That's only 7 points at this stage. And that's way, a lot of basketball to go. Chris King setting up. Pero nakita mo, very, ang kanyang mga movements. Naku, naka-reverse pa si Valdavid.
Ang depensa ng pupunan ng Alaska, Dr. J. Caught nothing that time. 3 dinaanan ni Valdavid.
Yeah, Holland should have helped out, but he tried, so he forced the bid to go to the reverse, but wala naman nakatulong from that side. Hindi pa nagkaagawan doon yung dalawang
Magkakape ba yun, ha?
Alaska.
Kevin Holland, mabibitawan pa bola ang kanyang
Yes.
pukol. Ayun. Ito, si Kevin Holland springing back to life. Ibinababa ng konti ang lamang to... Ito, 7 pa pala. Akala mo maliit-liit na, but
7 minutos pa natitira, 7 minutes, 7 seconds. Si King is just spotting up on the other side, Yan, they're
Ayan,
just
bukas,
spotting
oh.
him up. They're spotting him up, that's all.
at rebound nakuha, pero nadukot naman ni Johnny Abarientos sa likod ni Marlo Aquino. At ito, maglalakad na lang si Marlo. Magaling yung kanyang binabantay si Kevin Holland. Hindi na rin makatakbo.
Pareho na silang pagod, They've played a lot of minutes in this ball game. Johnny Abarientos.
Dinaanan si Valdavid at ito, naaalarma ng konti ang Gordons. They want their own timeout. Ang kupunan po ng Alaska has gone to a twin guard rotation of Johnny Abarientos and Boyd Fernandez. Anong move ito, Dr. J?
Well, I think he wanted to give Lastimosa a rest, and then he wants to put some speed on the ball game. I think, you see, like Valdavid had a very important shot that he couldn't put down. So I think yan, nakita rin ni Sunny na kailangan gamitin na rin niya si Pido Haraensio, but he has to wait for the next dead ball situation.
Si Commissioner Jun Bernardino intently watching the game, of course, with Mr. Eddie De Guzman.
Si Congressman John Osmeña, former Senator of the Republic, of course from Cebu.
Nakashoot sa malapit, Dr. J, and slowly ang Alaska inching its way back into this ball game. Just down by 3 points.
Pagod na si Marlo Aquino, that's why when he double teams, when he comes back, it's just a little bit too late. Ayan ang post-up play para kay Huizot.
He has the advantage, but Boyd Fernandez not backing down from this matchup. Bukas si Chris King, he will take a 3-pointer. Wala. And loose ball foul ang itatawag, a deliberate foul at itatawag dito kay Valdavid.
Kay Noli Locsin yata.
Noli Locsin ba tatawagan?
Delivered foul number 6, Noli Locsin.
Dr. J, ito yung mga klase ng mga fouls that you give up na hindi kailangan. So obviously, yung paggamit ng kung anong nando sa in between the ears kailangan sa ball game na ito.
Yeah, let's see this play. You see, boxing out ang ginagawa dito ni Boyet Fernandez, and of course, Locsin is so much bigger than him.
So Locsin will have to sit out 3 minutes, no, Dr. J?
Yeah.
Sa deliberate foul na ito at tinawag sa kanya. He was fighting for that possession. Katulad nun, si Boyd Fernandez, alam mo, pesky ito, aasarin ka talaga nito. Hihingiin niya yung
Yeah.
contact.
Correct. Tapos medyo inartehan niya ng konti.
Nahuli
Natawagan.
si Noli. Ibabalik si Terry Saldana, was turned out to be the biggest thorn sa panig ng kupunan ng Alaska. Si Terry Saldana scoring 8 points and pulling down a total of 11 rebounds in the third quarter, Dr. J.
Well, nag-gamble dito si Cone, and it might be paying off. He's using Abarientos and Fernandez together. Medyo nakabalik sila from a 9-point deficit. Now they're only down by 2, down by 1. May possession pa sila.
This game is not yet over. At Dr. J, yung gamble na sinasabi natin, giving up size, but merong konting ball handling and speed has worked to